Marathon in Dubrovnik.
내려. 자꾸 도로를 가려. 안 괜찮잖아. 봐봐.
아, 모자 쓴 게?
모자 쓰면 이렇게 나와.
아, 그게 너무 눌렀었구나.
I saw a girl, she was like this height. She was running. They are already finished.
See, there is a surprise. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ಬೇಡ ಬಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಲೋ
ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಎನಿಮೀಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಯಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
And then she can hold it.